In today's video, I'm going to teach you why LinkedIn has games, what they are, and how you can dive into them to sharpen your cognitive skills in a fun way. So let's get started by heading over to linkedin.com. Once there, you'll want to log in using your preferred method, be it through Google, Microsoft, or by entering your email address and password. Remember, if you have two-factor authentication set up, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. This little extra step is there to keep your account secure. Now, onto the intriguing part, LinkedIn's games. You might be wondering, why do they even have games? Well, LinkedIn introduced these games to foster user engagement and offer a refreshing break from the professional grind. They're designed to spark conversations and encourage friendly competition while allowing users to exercise their minds. Think of it as a way to interact with your network with a more casual twist. The games you'll find on LinkedIn are primarily thinking oriented, featuring titles like Pinpoint Queens, Cross Climb, and Zip. To access these, you'll want to look for the Today's Games section under LinkedIn News, usually situated on the right side of your screen. It's easy to spot once you're in the habit of checking it out regularly. Let's talk about these games, starting with Pinpoint. It's a word association game where your task is to guess the common category from a set of clues. It's a great way to test and improve your verbal skills. Next up is Queens, a logic game that challenges you to fill each row, column, and coloured region in a grid with a queen, making sure no queens are touching. If you love puzzles, this is your go-to game for sharpening logical thinking. Then we have Cross Climb, which combines trivia with a word ladder to unlock the final clues. This game not only tests your knowledge, but also your ability to deduce and connect information creatively. Lastly, there's Zip, the newest addition to this lineup, along with Tango, another engaging puzzle game that involves harmonizing a grid. The beauty of these games lies in their design. They're meant to be quick mental workouts, allowing professionals like you to take a breather and rejuvenate your mind amidst a busy workday. So, whether you're waiting for that next conference call or need a short escape between emails, these games are a fantastic way to keep your mind sharp and engaged. And that's all you need to dive into the games on LinkedIn. Whether you're in it for the fun or the mental challenge, these games offer something valuable for everyone. So, next time you log in, be sure to check them out and experience a different side of LinkedIn that's all about learning through play. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming on LinkedIn.